My bike has been stranded for a long time because the battery was dead, so we are going to change the battery and put in a new one. There is no response when I switch on the ignition and press the start button. So first of all, let's take off the seat and check the battery voltage. Damn it, it's 9 volts. To remove the battery, first we have to remove the battery clamp. Remove the battery terminals next. I made a mistake. You should always disconnect the positive terminal first and then the negative terminal. Since the battery was dead, there was no spark or anything. This is the dead battery from BMW. Here is my new battery from Exide. Remove the screws. Put in the battery so that it is in the correct position. Oops, I dropped a nut. Let me brace it. There it goes. Now I will tighten the terminals. Negative first and then the positive. Let's put the battery clamp in position. Need to fasten the battery clamp. Let's see if it starts up. There it goes. And it starts without trouble. Oh, let me try again. There it goes. Perfect. That's it. Let's put the toolkit back. But before that, let's check the battery voltage. Seems fine. Let's put the toolkit back. Here, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Anil and BMW Motorrad Delhi for the remote support they gave me. Anil Bhai was the one who directed me towards the right battery. Thanks, Anil. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this will help you in case you face a dead battery in your car.